Sheesh. Tsunami. Johnny Tsunami.
What's going on, kings and queens? It's Nate here, and I have 9 things that will help you grow your YouTube channel while working a full-time job. Let's get started. Passion and purpose. You gotta have a passion. You have to understand that if you don't have purpose behind that passion, then you might get emotional when things get hard. You know, YouTube, building an audience on social media, it's not easy. So you gotta be mindful of that. Some days are gonna be good, some days aren't gonna be the greatest. And you're gonna also just get really frustrated when you see no results. Other people are blowing up, getting like 10,000 subscribers, you know, every single month, while you're getting like 5 to 10. Try to align your passion and implement that purpose. You know, what kind of message are you giving to your audience? Who is your audience, right? Who are you talking to? That way you're able to understand and get in the shoes of the person that is actually watching you. So number 2, don't think about the money. The more you think about the money, the more you're gonna compare, and then the more you're gonna be less happy. Be happy with just creating, right? Be happy with your passion. Be happy with your own level up, because the more you level up, the more that you're proud of yourself, the more easy it's gonna get for you to create, because you're not thinking about making money. But the less you think about the money and the more you think about impact, then you're gonna be able to sustain yourself, because you're not thinking about some man-made concept, right? You're bringing value to the table, that way you can impact other people. That is the goal. If you have a passion, if you have a purpose, turn that into something where you can speak to your people and then impact them. If you're not impacting, what kind of value are you giving to people on your YouTube channel? That is very, very important, and that's what's gonna help you succeed. So treat your content like you're going to the gym, right? The gym, it's not fun, it's not easy, you get burned out, things hurt, you get sore, but at the end of the day, with consistency, going to the gym and dieting, you get in better shape, you start looking better, you start feeling more confident, and then you can transform into a completely different person because of the way you look. So the same thing with YouTube. Posting, creating content, editing the videos. It can be fun for some people, but if you're brand new and it's hard and maybe you're shy in front of the camera, maybe you're not really good at editing, maybe you just don't know what you want to talk about yet, maybe you haven't found your lane yet, right? All those things can kind of make you feel insecure, and that could get in your head, and then you can prevent yourself from actually being productive and posting. What I'm trying to say is, like, treat it like a gym. Just do it. If you go to the gym 3 to 5 times a week and you diet right, you do cardio at least 3 times a week, you're gonna trim that fat, you're gonna lose weight, you're gonna build muscle, and you're gonna feel a lot better, right? You're gonna feel a lot better, right? That's what you need to do with your YouTube channel. You might not feel confident, you might not want to do it, you might not be the best at editing videos, but just do it. So number 4, creating a schedule. You need to create a consistent schedule, just like a TV show, right? The reason why programs on TV are so successful is because it's predictable, and it'll come on every single Wednesday at 8 p.m., right? Now the audience knows exactly what to do. They can set time outside of their day, so that way they can dedicate their time and energy to watch this TV show with their friends or family. So the same thing with your audience, right? If you're impacting people and you're giving value away, you need to set a schedule, not only for yourself, but for your audience as well, because now they're more likely to watch your content because you have a schedule for them. It's not about you, it's about them. So do everything in your power to service them and impact them. That way they're more likely to watch your videos consistently. Number 5, do your research before you post a video. I'm not saying do a whole hour of research on the next topic to talk about, but do a little bit of research on TubeBuddy and understand that, okay, before I just randomly talk about something, let me have a little bit of structure in my content. That way I'm able to not only optimize my video, but I'm optimizing this value to my audience, right? And you want to be able to do the same thing, because if you're not delivering value, people are going to get bored, they're not going to know your purpose, and they're not going to be interested. You need to stay on point. That way you're always on topic and you're always relevant, and you're always speaking to your audience about what's important to them. So number 6 is, who are you talking to? YouTube has a dashboard where you can read into the analytics. You can see the demographics, the ages, male or female. The audience is very, very important. The more you know your audience, the more you're gonna be able to impact your people, right? My audience is 75% male, 25% female, and the ages from 24 to 40, right? So I'm right in that sweet spot, and it's because I'm 35, right? And so it's really important for me to understand who I'm talking to, so it's relevant information, it's relevant content, and I'm actually delivering good value to my people. That way I can impact them at the highest level possible. Number 7, invest in yourself. If you're not investing in yourself, then it really means you just don't believe in yourself. Invest in the equipment, upgrade your camera, get that editing software that you never bought before, because you cannot grow if you're not investing in yourself. It's gonna cost a little bit of money, but it's gonna be worth it, because now you have better plugins for your editing software. You can make better quality videos. Your videos are a lot more crispy because you have a camera. If you don't have good lighting, now you have ring lights and other lighting that will help you out. Invest in yourself, because if you truly believe in yourself, you're gonna invest because you know it's gonna pay off. Number 8, surround yourself around people who believe in you. Surround yourself around people who want the same things as you, right? If someone doesn't believe in YouTube, if someone doesn't believe in making money online from social media, why are you around that person? This is really, really important, because there are micro influencers in real life, right? And those people can dissuade you from getting to what you want, getting to what you deserve. So stay away from those people. You can love them from a distance if they're close friends or family, but protect your own belief. If you believe in yourself, get around people who align with your belief. Get around people who believe in what you think is right. Get around people who have the same passion as you, because this energy is gonna continue to rub off. You guys are gonna create more ideas together. You guys are gonna be able to mastermind together. And that energy is what will propel you to continue to go on this journey and get away from the people who don't believe. Number 9, measure your progress. If you're not measuring, you're just winging it. And how can you progress if you don't know where you're going? If you're on the right path, you understand what you're doing every single week, how many times you're posting, how many views you need to get monetized or whatever. And you need to understand your metrics to get that paycheck that you deserve. If you're not monetized yet, what do you need to do every single day to get that 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 hours of watch time, right? If you are monetized and you're making whatever, $2,000 a month off of ad revenue, and you want to get to 5,000, how many views do you need to get for you to have sustainable income coming in? $5,000 a month. So that way you can quit your job, right? You need to have specific SMART goals. And when I mean SMART, I'm using the SMART methodology. So use SMART because it works for me, not only in my corporate job, but for YouTube as well.